After crossing Science City, our cab turns to the left. And we head to our destination Bantala. Today Peter is going to visit Kolkata Leather Complex, Bantala, which has nearly 350 tanneries and more than 100 export units. Peter deals in finished leather goods and is currently working with some well-known
global buyers.
He has been buying leather from Kolkata for the past few years.
Welcome, my friend. It's been a long time we met in person.
Hi, Tahir. Indeed, it's been quite some years waiting to meet. Also, it's been very tough for both of us during the COVID pandemic. How are you? How is your tannery running?
I'm good. Yes, I want to show you my tannery and how it is running now. I'm sure you will be astonished after you take a visit to my tannery.
Yes, you mentioned it in the last video call. I'm eager to see that.
Please come inside. Peter, I want you to meet Deepak from Solidaridad. Solidaridad helped me during this pandemic and still helping me to re-establish my tannery, and a better one this time from all the aspects, whether it is environmental or economical. This is Peter, one of my very old friends and also my buyer who is taking leather from me from quite some years. I invited him to come down to my tannery because I wanted him to see the changes that we have made with the help of Solidaridad towards global level of acceptance.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you, Deepak. I'd be more than happy to learn what changes you made in these days to escalate the tannery in the list of Global Environmental Good Book.
Hi Peter, surely I will give you a tour of this tannery, but let me tell you one thing, that these changes have only been possible because of Tahir's help and encouragement. Come, let's start the tour starting from the raw section.
What kind of machine is this? I haven't seen this before.
I would like to introduce you to the first intervention that we have made indigenously. We call it desalting machine.
Desalting machine? Yes, I have heard about this machine in Europe. But I assume there we have much bigger desalting machine. This one is quite small and compact.
You are right, Peter. In Europe, you've seen desalting SS drum, which is very big, costly for the small and medium tanners in Kolkata. But this machine is very cost-effective, light-weighted and easy to install.
Okay, I understand. Is it as effective as the drum one?
For a capacity like Kolkata tanneries, it is very affordable and effective. We've seen a great drop in TDS, that is total dissolved solids. Approximately 33% of soaking float after using this machine. Not only that, salt which is recovered from desalting machine can be sold to raw dealer as well.
Good. I think this machine is safe to use for workers as well.
Yes, this machine is totally safe for the workers. You'll be surprised to know that the desalting operation reduces the operational time in washing stage by 30 minutes of each paddle. This will optimize the consumption of electricity by the tanner, and there is a massive carbon and water footprint reduction through the simple mechanism.
Yes, Peter. He has shown me all the reports and audited analysis of it.
Great to hear this.
Let me take you to the beam house floor.
Oh God, again the beam house action. Deepak, is this pickle palled because it's so wide?
No sir, these are lime pels processed with EAD.
What is EAD? Can you please explain?
Sure, Peter. Introducing our second and most vital implementation named enzyme-assisted dehairing. Shortly, we call it EAD. Using this process, we can save our industries from the hazards, environment, and the bad smell.
Oh, I see. But how does it work? Please tell me. I'm very interested.
In this implementation, we use proteolytic enzyme to remove the hair from the hides in liming process.
Really?
Yes, Peter. Not only that, in this process, hair do not get dissolved in the bath. So we can reduce TSS in the lime bath.
Interesting.
Do you smell anything like it used to be in your earlier visits?
No, there are no smell in the beam house. But how?
We'll never smell anything during enzyme-assisted dehairing. It's good not only for the environment, but also for raw hides. Because after treatment with enzyme, there's increase in hides area.
Not only that, industries are also very interested to grab it and walk in a sustainable path as shown by Solidaridad.
I'm really pleased to see that. It's really a revolutionary start in leather industries. A good work done by Solidaridad. What is this, Deepak? I've never seen this before.
You asked a nice thing, Peter. This is solenoid valve. And here it is, limit switch. It is our water optimizing mechanism. In this intervention, we can save 50 to 60% of water in a lot of flashing.
Oh, nice. But how does it work? Can you show it?
Of course, see, the valve is fixed with the bypass line of the main pipe and the limit is attached by drilling and screw fixing. When the knife roller touches the feed roller, then the water flow starts. I mean, when they press the foot press pedal, then only the water comes.
Okay, it's interesting. But how do you know that 50 to 60% water is saved by the water optimizing mechanism?
We have calculated in water analysis report of every tannery.
This mechanism is very helpful in saving water and also very cost effective. So I am very happy with this intervention.
Thanks to Solidaridad for this water optimizing mechanism. It'll be good future for your next generation. Tahir, it seems you bought a bigger weight machine.
No, Peter. This is our next intervention named Accurate Weighing System.
But why have you chose this weight system as your intervention? What is its environmental impact?
Look, Peter, previously for 100 pieces, we used to weigh 10 pieces hides from a lot and calculate the average and then estimate the whole lot by multiplying with 100. From this assumption, extra water and extra chemical were added during lot trial. So it's wastage of chemical and water and increased DDS and TSS too. We implemented the accurate weighing system for the weight for whole lot. Our system measured till 1 ton at a time. So at a time, worker can weigh whole lot easily.
Now I understand. Can the workers handle this system properly?
Yes, Peter, absolutely. Not only Solidaridad gave this intervention, they also trained the workers as they required. The workers are well known regarding this.
For this intervention, we have also calculated the GHG analysis, carbon footprint, water footprint.
Nice. Impressive. What is the digital mechanism attached with drum pipeline, Deepak? If I'm not wrong, this one is also by Solidaridad?
Absolutely right, Peter. This is digital water flow meter. By this intervention, you can put the amount of water which is needed for this process.
Yes, Peter. Not only that, it can save 50 to 60% water in one lot.
How?
Previously, they put the water by assumption in the drum. Suppose 350 liters lot in retaining the water amount is 80%, means 280 liters. Earlier, they used to add water by consumption. Maybe it will be 500 liters or 600 liters. But now, they put the particular amount of water by seeing the digital board. So, no wastage of water. We have water analysis reports on the intervention.
I'm pleased to see Solidaridad doing a lot of good intervention for leather cluster, which I'm sure will make the cluster more sustainable. Waste to walk. Deepak, if I'm not wrong, this is something which is made from waste? But how? That's what I'm curious about.
Peter, this is paver tiles and paver blocks. And you are absolutely correct. These are made from wastage.
Interesting. But what wastage do you use here?
We are using PTP sludge, CETP sludge of the tannery.
So will it be strong like blocks made with cement?
Yes, 100%. We have tensile strength, compressive strength, tear strength testing reports. You'll be shocked to know about the results. It has more strength than conventional one.
A lot tanneries are very interested in making these paver blocks out of waste. Not only tanneries owners, MSME and PCB has also shown interest in our initiative to utilize the waste.
I have one question. If the paver blocks made by PDP, CDP sludge, there must be
Chrome content.
Is it safe to use or safe for environment?
The TCLP, Total Chrome and Chrome 3 content test reports indicate that the material is entirely safe for use in any environment.
This is what I call sustainability, total value for money, waste to wealth.
Come, Peter, I will show you another example of waste utilization.
Is there any operation running?
Yes, Peter. In this machine, we are extracting tallow.
Tallow. What is it?
Introducing Tallow Machine, its demonstration and conversion of fleshing waste into value-added products.
Sounds nice. Value-added products from flushing sludge.
From this intervention, we get protein and tallow oil. This protein goes to animal feed, and the tallow oil we can send it to soap, paint, and lubricant industries.
How does it work? I want to know the mechanism.
This method includes thermal hydrolysis and acid purification to extract tallow from the protein-rich residue.
Seriously, I have to say these are revolutionary changes seen at Leather Complex.
Not only that, Peter, it reduces the risk of contamination of groundwater resource and provides sustainable and environment-friendly option for tallow makers and animal feed manufacturers.
Thank you.
There is another surprise for you. Please come with me.
Oh, really? Let's move. I think it is leather-like product. Am I right?
No, Peter. This is not leather-like product. It is absolutely leather. Every single fiber is leather. No PU, PVC or any non-leather materials are added.
Okay. Tell me, how could you do this? Is it our demonstration?
Look, Peter, the solid waste generated during leather production such as chrome saving, buffing dust, wedge blue cutting, finished trimming, etc. These are disposed in landfills. For this reason, land, soil, groundwater become polluted. Here we are utilizing these solid waste and converting into bonded leather sheets. It is our technology, but the machineries are set up by the tannery. They adopted this.
Okay, so it is only solid waste, or you add other materials as well? Want to know the procedure?
The leather fibers are first rehydrated and pulped in the beater. Then, organic chemicals are blended in the agitator to create a uniform mixture, which is subsequently transferred to the conveyor for the production of bonded leather sheets according to the desired thickness.
Satisfying. Now tell me, what is the environmental impact of the intervention?
When we are utilizing the waste, definitely pollution is getting controlled, so it's a direct impact on the environment. Not only this, we are also taking a step towards sustainability as these sheets will create circular economy.
Really surprised. But one thing, how can we use this leather sheet and where?
Peter, I am in the process of making products out of these bonded leather sheets. We will be doing finishing over these sheets and then make products like bags, wallets, small leather goods, etc. So, your leather products from bonded leather sheets are actually waste to value, in correct sense.
Yes, you are correct, Tahir. This is waste to value. I have to say my visit to Kolkata Leather Cluster this time has been very valuable. New clean green technologies that you adopted are truly commendable. Indeed, it's the initiative of Solidaridad which has led the industry to take the path of sustainability. Thank you, Deepak, for showing me all these interventions, and thank you, Tahir, for inviting me to your tannery.